Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to another refrigeration and HVAC Red Seal license practice questions. Okay, multiple choice set number 36 now. Number 1. If you raise the temperature while keeping moisture content constant, the relative humidity decreases. A 10 Fahrenheit rise in air temperature can decrease relative humidity by A 10%, B 20%, C 30%, or D 40%. Correct answer is B 20%. Number 2. A grain of water is approximately 1 drop of water. There are blank of water to 1 pound of water. A 6,000 grains, B 7,000 grains, C 8,000 grains, or D 5,000 grains. Correct answer is B 7,000 grains of water is approximately 1 drop. Letter B. Magic number 7,000. Number 3. Higher CFM is used during A reverse cycle, B off cycle, C fan cycle, or D cooling cycle. Correct answer is D cooling cycle. Number 4. Material used in electrical heating element is called A aluminum, B brass, C nichrome, or D silver. Correct answer is C nichrome. Nichrome is nickel and chromium, used for electrical heating elements. Number 5. Opposition to current flow in AC circuit is A resistance, B impedance, C voltage, or D reluctance. Right answer is B impedance. Number 6. A 60-40 solder or 60% tin, 40% lead is used to achieve a strong bond and is easier to work with because of its blank melting point. A high, B low, C standard, or D none of the above. Correct answer is B low. Number 7. A yellow burner flame is caused by blank of air. A excess, B lack, C proper, or D none of the above. Correct answer is B lack of air. Number 9. Lock rotor amps or LRA is a very high current or amperage of a motor draw when power is first applied due to the low counter EMF. It is usually blank the running load amperage. A 8 to 9 times, B 10 times, C 2 to 3 times, or D 5 to 6 times. Correct answer is D 5 to 6 times. Number 10. A thermostat is open and connects on a 120 volts power supply. What is the voltage between ground and line at the thermostat? A 60 volts, B 120 volts, C 0 volts, or D 240 volts? Correct answer is B 120 volts. Okay, that's the last question. Hope you have I learned something from this multiple choice set, and wish you the best in your Red Seal review. Cheers, have a good one till the next review.